Freedom.
All right, we got about 10, 15 more minutes of flying here. I guess I'll turn the camera on and let you guys enjoy that. That'll be my last round here at Oshkosh 2026. Got a gyrocopter coming in, and I'll probably sneak out.
Red, white, blue for billboard.
Yeah, roger that, red, white, blue.
Center red's spooling up for lift. I see 2 inbound, and that's fine.
Roger that, Sooner Red.
Red, white, blue, same path.
Red, white, blue, full stop.
Red, white, blue.
Center red's ready in sequence.
Sooner Red, you're clear to take the active and depart.
Here we go. Aircraft departing left and right. You can see the ghost field here out in front of me where you got all the footpaths, the car paths. Little green area where every airplane actually sat for a while. Off in the distance there you can see all the Oshkosh vehicles, heavy military vehicles.
Red, white, blue, ready to go.
Red, white, blue, you are clear to taxi on up.
Red, white, blue.
Corner post here where we generally turn on the way going the other direction. They say do not fly over this. Yeah, actually a lady down there on the porch. Stunning with
And
her
red, white,
dog.
blue, you're clear to take the active and depart.
That's one thing fun about a helicopter. Another thing fun. Got a farm over here. Don't know what the angle is with my finger, but I see a helicopter sitting behind it. I think somebody found some nice cheap and close parking.
Roger that, purple gyro, full stop.
Not positive, but I think that helicopter
Green gyro is billboard.
out of Texas, maybe.
Copy that, green gyro.
Oh, the Blimp's back up. I thought he was done.
We got about 5 more minutes of flying.
Say again?
He says we have about 5 more minutes of flying.
Okay, thanks.
So they're giving us 5 more minutes. They're cutting us about 5 minutes.
Freedom's at the billboard.
About
Roger that, Blue Freedom.
5 minutes short on our flying time. It's always
green gyro will be a full stop as well.
get that for our
Roger that,
redneck
green gyro.
stepchild
Thank you.
helicopters. Center red is at the billboard.
Copy that, Sooner Red.
I think I'll get one more full lap in, and then we'll come back around and do the recovery to the LZ. And I'll I'll land it in front of my trailer and start getting it ready for the trip back to Texas. Hope you're able to catch a glimpse of the blimp when it was going overhead.
Thanks again, Paul. Great job.
Thanks for having us.
Great job, Bobby. Hope to see you guys next year.
Heck yeah, thanks.
Blue Freedom climbing out in front of me. Very nice ship. He's a gold Lindy trophy holder as well. Give him a little bit of room, I'll accelerate away.
Red, white, blue, billboard.
Roger that, red, white, blue. And sooner red, I guess we're going to take it into the LZ then.
Aww.
And green gyro taxiing up behind purple gyro.
Green gyro, you're clear taxiing up.
Well, they're going to make me go ahead and go straight to the
Red, white, blue, full stop.
the LZ.
Copy that, red, white, blue.
So that'll put this day at an end. Still travel with me all the way back to the end of the runway. There would be a quick right turn down into the LZ, which is just for us experimental helicopters to be able to assemble, either camp next to it or actually leave our large trailers there overnight.
At the billboard.
Yeah, roger that, Blue Freedom. And Blue Freedom, we're going to have to make this an LZ.
Roger. Back to the LZ. Thanks a lot, Bill.
My pleasure. My pleasure, guys. Thanks again.
There's Goodyear Blimp a little bit further away when he was last trip through this area. Just slowly cruising around pretty much constantly.
Sooner Red's at the billboard.
Yeah, copy that, sooner red.
I understand you want me in the LZ.
Roger that, sooner red. We're going to have to be ending here.
Okay.
Yep, tried to get another lap, didn't get it. Got one aircraft I see crossing the trees into the LZ now. So I'm giving him room to get down and out of the way by slowing down.
Thanks again, Jim. Really appreciate it.
Alrighty, we'll see you again. Man, I don't know next year. We'll just have to see what it brings. Thanks for all you guys' help making it all work.
Will do. Thank you.
Red, white, blue, ready to depart.
Red, white, blue, you're clear to depart. Taxi up to the north.
Okay, up to the north and then depart. Red, white, blue.
Roger that.
Yeah, make sure Jeff and everybody by name, I can't all come to them, but make sure they all know just how much we appreciate them. We know how hard they work. Sooner Red out for another year.
Roger that, guys. Really been a pleasure, and hope to see you guys next year. You guys are always fun to work with. Have a safe trip home, everyone. Red, white, blue, you're clear to depart.
Thank you.
There it is. One more year in the can, as they say. Let this thing cool off. Start getting it ready to pack up and disassemble. Thanks for riding with me once again. I'll get this posted maybe tonight. See you soon.